Hello, so today we are talking about Unit 5, Chapter 4. And Unit 5, Chapter 4 covers transformations. And transformation is just basically we are altering a shape in some way, a shape, a line. We're altering a geometric figure in some way. That's what a transformation is. And today, for our first lesson, we are talking about translation. And what a translation basically is, it's a movement. It's a movement without rotation or flipping in whatsoever. So without any type of turn, so any type of rotation or flips or mirrors. Okay. So here, for example, if I were to draw a picture, let's see here, I draw a picture and it is of a flower. And it looks just like this. If I were to move that flower, or if I made a copy, not this, if I made a copy and I just happen to move it anywhere, then that would be a translation. The flower doesn't rotate, the flower doesn't flip, the flower is exactly the same, it just moves somewhere else. And normally we like to label our shapes. So the original one, we will call it, we can call it M. Let's call it M. And the new one, we always call the new one M prime, and we have a little apostrophe to indicate prime. So M prime, or the new shape. So the prime is our new shape or our new location. So what happens first? So M without the prime is the original. This is our original. And this is our new location. M prime is our new location. So from the original M, this flower had a translation, or it moved to M prime, to a new space. It doesn't change or turn anywhere. It just moves. So let's do an example with this. So let's see here. Let's say I have a shape, we'll say a triangle. And our triangle is 4 spaces down and 2 spaces to the right. And it looks like this. Here, and we'll call this triangle M. And let's say this triangle had a translation. The translation ended up, we'll say here. There's 4 spaces here and then 2 spaces. So this is the same triangle. It had a translation. It changed colors, but it's the same size. As long as it's the same size, same shape, we're gonna call this M prime. So it's the new translation. So we want to figure out how it moved. So what I always do is I always like to pick one corner, one spot on the original shape. So the original shape being M, and I'm going to pick that spot. So here I'm going to pick this corner right there. And then I'm going to see from that corner to the new corner here where it moved. So I'm going to count. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it moved for sure 7 to the right, 7 to the right, and then I'm going to count how many up and down. 1, 2, 3. And it moved 3 up. Right? 7 to the right and 3 up. Let's try another example. Let's give another example here. Let's say this time I have a rectangle. My original rectangle is here. It's a 2 by 3. And it moves to here. It's a 2 by 3. What I need to find is I can pick any one of those corners. I'm going to call my original rectangle M, my new rectangle M prime. I'm going to pick a corner. So here's a corner here, and I need to match that with the new corner. The original corner is on the bottom left, so I need to match that with my bottom left corner. And I'm going to see where it moves. So I'm going to count the spaces. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It went 6 down. And then, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it went 4 to the right again. And that is how our translation moved. So let's just recap really quickly. A translation is our picture where it is the original picture. There is no flipping, no rotating whatsoever. The picture has to look like it is its exact twin in every way, except it just moved from one place to another, like a chess game. And then to figure out where our image move, we pick a corner and then we count the amount of units that from one corner to the next to figure out how it moved.